Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, simple and easy chakalaka alternatives using chickpeas. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements are in the description box below. So for this recipe, you're going to need some chopped onions, green beans and bell peppers. So in a pan, you're going to start off with some oil, and then you'll be adding your onion, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, as well as your green beans. You'll saute that until your onions are nice and translucent. And then we're going to start with seasoning. So you'll start with coriander seeds, which I've just crushed. Then I'm going to be adding some whole chili flakes. Then I'm going to be adding some curry powder. Then I'm going to be adding some turmeric just to give it a vibrant color. I will also be adding some ground ginger. And then I'll also add some paprika again to just activate the vibrance in color. Then you're going to saute that just so that everything can mix and is well combined. And it should be looking like this after about 10 minutes. Then to that I'm going to be adding some shredded carrots, and because the amount of oil that we added earlier on has all been absorbed, I would recommend that you then add oil again just so that you can saute your carrots. You will then give that a mix, saute it until your carrots are nice and soft. Then to that we're going to be adding some tomato paste. You will then give this a mix just so that it can combine, and in order for it to loosen you will then add a little bit of some of the chickpea water. So I am using chickpeas that were in brine, so I've just separated my chickpeas and its water. And then I'm basically adding the water from the chickpeas in stages. This is going to be assisting with deglazing the pan after we've added our spices and the tomato paste. You'll give that a mix. So you will allow that to simmer for about 5 minutes on low medium heat, and this is what it should then be looking like. So then to that we're going to be adding some sweetness. I'm going to be using the sweet and sour sauce. If you don't have this, you're also welcome to use some sweet chili sauce. You'll then just give that a quick mix just so that everything is nice and well combined. Then at this point we're going to be adding our chickpeas into the dish. You'll mix that through until your chickpeas are evenly distributed in your mix. We'll allow that to cook for like 10 minutes, and then at this point I'm going to be seasoning with salt and pepper. You do need to taste if the salt and pepper is something that you want to add into your recipe. Again, I'm using chickpeas that were preserved in brine, so that already has quite a significant amount of salt. So after adding the seasoning, this is what it will now be looking like. And this is such a quick, simple and easy recipe. It's a nice alternative to the chakalaka that we normally make with beans, and I would recommend making this at least a day or 12 hours before you serve. It just only gets better with time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.